Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so nothing later surprises you. Sign into the exact Google account on both device and web, and confirm whether two-step authentication is enabled because that changes tokens. Next, make sure you have a stable network and disable VPN or proxies that alter traffic. These often block sync. Once done, back up critical items using local export or Google Takeout so you can restore if needed. This prevents data loss during token refresh or reset. You now handle the middle technical steps that fix most sync failures. Clear cache and app data for the affected Google app, then force stop and reopen so the app requests fresh tokens. This removes corrupted local state. If that fails, revoke and regrant permissions from your Google account security page to force token reissue. Then go to Device Accounts, select Google and run Sync Now. Watch any error code or message so you know whether it's auth, storage, or network-related, and proceed accordingly. You finish by applying final corrections and one key troubleshooting tip. Update Android/iOS and all Google apps to the latest versions, then restart the device to load updated components. This often resolves subtle bugs. If sync still fails, remove the Google account from the device and add it back to force a full resync. Finally, if problems persist, check Workspace admin settings or Google service status. Outages or admin restrictions can block sync, and knowing that saves time before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.